So here we have a question about equilibrium, and we've been asked to find out the effect on the yield of hydrogen, hydrogen's here, and the value of the equilibrium constant Kc, and according to these changes. So let's just assess what we've got. We've got an endothermic reaction, so a reaction that gets colder as the reaction goes on. So it's absorbing heat energy in order to increase the energy of the chemicals. We've also got one where we've got 2 particles, 2 moles on the left, 4 moles on the right, so we're increasing pressure. So let's take each of the answers in turn and see what we think about them. Increase the pressure. So according to Le Chatelier's, if we increase the pressure, we're going to shift to the side with the fewest moles to reduce that pressure. So we're going to shift to the left, away from the hydrogen. That would decrease the yield. But we should remember that nothing has an effect on the equilibrium constant except temperature, so this is incorrect. If we add a catalyst, catalysts have no effect on equilibrium, only affect rate, so this is definitely incorrect. If we increase the temperature, we're going to shift in the endothermic direction because that's going to absorb that heat energy, so this is correct. And since temperature is the only factor that can affect Kc, we need to think about whether the next statement is correct as well. So as we increase the temperature, we're going to shift to the right, we're going to make more products. The top line of our Kc expression is going to get bigger. The bottom line of our Kc expression is going to get smaller. And so our Kc value is going to get bigger. So this is correct. So we're going to select answer C. We can double check answer D. If we remove the carbon monoxide, according to Le Chatelier's, if we remove a product, the equilibrium will shift right to replace it. So we would increase our yield of hydrogen. But this would have no effect on Kc because it's not temperature. So we know the answer is C.